Everybody on one foot.
Hey, Joe.
Here,
Byron.
you guys ready over there? You gonna stay over in the sun or?
We're gonna stay in the shade.
Okay. This extraordinary session of the 142nd Grand Parlor of the Native Sons of the Golden West is now assembled. That we may fittingly open our labors, the worthy junior past grand president will offer prayer.
Gentlemen, please remove your hats. O great designer and builder of the universe, thou master of time and space, we ask thy blessing upon the work we are here to commence. We beseech thy favor upon the workmen here engaged. We supplicate thee to strengthen the hands of all in worthy endeavors. Give unto us to realize our full aspirations in this building. Make it to stand against the storm of time and evil. Permit it to endure against ignorance, injustice, and intolerance. Bless those who shall teach truth. Aid those who shall seek justice. Reward those who shall maintain honor. Preserve unto us our liberties and the traditions of our forefathers. Give unto us and our citizens courage and understanding. Endow our government and nation with enduring wisdom, complete toleration, and eternal independence. Let our light shine upon the whole world, to the end that peace, prosperity, equality, and liberty should be the portion of all men, and to thee should be the praise and glory forever. Amen.
Amen.